It's became a black.
Oh, no, there it is. Started.
Wow,
Hi.
cool.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Office Hour. Today is September Office Hour. We host Office Hour every month to answer questions, to teach you something new, and to also introduce you to other Mozillians who are awesome and amazing, amazing community volunteers. So today we have Jafar. Jafar, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi. Hi, guys. Good evening. My name is Jafar Muhammed, located in Bengaluru, India. I'm I'm contributing towards the Mozilla mission from last 2.5, and I'm mainly focusing towards the creative team and creative efforts and social media efforts in Mozilla India. That's pretty much about me right now. Um, TJ, can we go ahead with the slide?
Yeah.
Can we go ahead with the presentation?
Yeah, definitely. Jafar is here today
Okay,
to
cool.
teach social media best practices, so hope you guys are excited. He has slides ready. Yeah, go ahead and put them up.
Are we connected? Can you see the screen? TJ?
It looks great.
Okay.
It looks awesome.
So, as I said, I'm contributing towards the social media efforts of Mozilla India community. We are having a very dedicated team for us to help us in spread the Mozilla's mission and Mozilla's product across India and our neighbor countries. We have a very uh, so we are getting help from our own team, from a creative team of Mozilla India as well. So from last 2.5 years, from last 2 years, I was experiencing this social media contributions, and I got a lot of knowledge by doing that. So I am here to share the knowledge with the upcoming Mozillians who are really uh, uh, energetic in our area, and people are really interested. So the session name is Social Media Best Practices. I'm going to start that. The very first question is, why social media marketing? Actually, social media is, some people are thinking like social media is just only for Facebook or only for Twitter, but there are many social media channels like LinkedIn, Google Plus, Instagram. There are a lot of social media channels, but currently we are focusing only on Twitter and Facebook because that's so cool, and we are getting so much engagement with these channels and platforms. The best thing when we are contributing to the social media marketing efforts, the best thing is we can spread the Mozilla's mission, which is I'm sorry. We are about to spread Mozilla's mission and our products with really zero cost, because our followers usually will be our friends or our colleagues or our the persons we usually meet. So this is without spending so much money, with the use of the power of social media. We are here to spread our openness and our awesomeness. We will be getting a super cool opportunity to interact with our users and our supporters, our volunteers. We don't need to set up any dedicated channel for them. They can hear us, we can hear them, we can collaborate, we can discuss. If they are having any issues, they can always just give a tweet to us, or just put their comments in our page, or they can even directly message to us. So it's really a great tool to hear from our end user at the right time, and at the very easy time. We can easily create meaningful relationships with our end users, our fans, our followers, and even people are not using our products like Firefox, or uh, people are not aware about our missions. We can still create meaningful relationship. I would like to share some screen which which we are recently experienced. Can you guys see this Prahlad
Yeah.
Rajagopalan? Yeah, he
Yes,
is
we can see.
he is our super cool follower. He used to comment us whenever we are giving any greetings like Friendship Day, Bakrid, then Deepavali, and other occasions. So, for giving an example, like relationship with the customer, he used to commend us, he used to encourage us, like saying this, thank you very much Mozilla India for your Friendship Day. It's just like an example. So after few sometimes we actually missed him, and we were really curious where this awesome fan go. Then after a few months he came back. So we actually asked him, thanks for being here again, where we are missing your commands. So this is just like an example that we are directly communicating with our fans, and it will help us to listen what they are thinking about us, about our products, and it will even help us to directly engage with and listen if and make a good relationship between our brand and our brand followers. Going back to the screen again. Um, yeah, I just wanted to remind you guys that this is a like a bird's eye view of the social media best practices session. I would like to make this as a series of sessions, because within just a single day, or within just a single session, I don't think I can share my whole experience, and I can guide you to become a great social media marketing manager. So this will be just like an overall look, and upcoming office hours, we will be going through the almost every points that we are going to share here in deeper, so we can discuss those points much deeper, and we can understand, and we can share our knowledge between us. So you guys probably hear that content is king. In social media also, content is the greatest thing that which help us to create a shareable moments and experience. So while we are curating our contents, we should uh, align with our brand, align with our style guides and our values. So when we are choosing a content, please align with the following steps. First thing is deliver content consistently. Um, the best thing that I experienced from last few months, when we are having a post, or when we are tweeting constantly, it will help us to uh, stay connected with our followers and fans. If we are missing posting something like if we are posting something in once in a month, or twice in a month, our posts and our tweets may not get enough engagement, and people may not give us enough value. So we have to be online almost every time, but it doesn't mean that you have to keep posting one per hour, but we should be there as a uh, brand, like sorry. The second one is don't treat it like a personal site. People usually use that Facebook page uh, either knowing or without knowing as the personal account, because when creating a brand page, we usually used to make that creation with our personal account. So there is a big possibility to make them merge, or make them clash with our personal account and our brand account. So while you are tweeting or while you are posting a content, make sure that you guys are tweeting or you guys are posting a content on behalf of the brand page. In our case, your local community page. Don't tweet like your personal account. Make a calls to action is the very important thing. Whenever we are sharing a link and we are sharing a creative assets, says that Firefox is something cool, Firefox is built by Mozillians like us, it's a non-profit organization. We have to say that click here to get Firefox and have this experience, or when we are inviting them to attend an event, give the links and ask them to attend the event, to share the event. Then only we can create a big impactful engagement between us and the brand. So a calls to action would be or should be more clear, more visible, and more meaningful. I think this almost everyone knows that whenever we are creating any content, it should be short, it should be meaningful. We know that people are not really interested in reading a paragraph or essays just to know that just to know more something about it. So uh, what just write something which is meaningful and very minimal. Don't go too much crazy about it when we are creating content. Create epic content, or nobody will share it. When you are creating a content, it should be, people should feel that, yeah, this is so cool, we have to share it, or else I have to give a like, or else I need to give a comment that I really love your mission and I really love to collaborate or contribute to Mozilla's mission. That is the best thing that we are going to get achieved when we are creating a post. So whenever creating a content, feel free to create that. It's just imagine yourself, it will be an epic content. So yeah, our friends or page followers will be feel so. I know this is we are running too much faster, but as I promised, I'll give you deeper, more insight about this our upcoming social media, upcoming office hours. Images, the engage builder. Clearly, uh, even when we are writing a paragraph or when we are comparing an image, people usually really interested in engage with the image, the multimedia object, and the text. So when we are creating a post, please try to add an image that will align with our content and our values of the post. So in we have so many examples here. Yeah, this is we can easily say that Mozilla India, we are celebrating Happy Raksha Bandhan, and we wanted to share the Raksha Bandhan greetings with you as well without the image, but this image is creating more engagement and alignment with this image, and this text will make a more impactful than just putting either image or putting either text. So you guys can see that there are many engagements and many likes and many sharings that. So whenever we are posting something or planning something for post, make it impactful by having so cool creative images. Yeah, again, be creative. Um, Being creative doesn't mean that we have to alter our Facebook style guide. I mean our Mozilla style guide. So Facebook. I'm sorry, Firefox style guides. But whenever we are creating any content, uh, think about the user perspective and think about our value. then start creating about creating the beautiful pictures and beautiful copies. It's we need to dig more into this be creative section. Um, I will go ahead with upcoming sessions. Experiment, learn, evolve. Based on my knowledge, there is no any perfect toolkit or teaching kit or any course to learn to become a best social media manager. Every social media channels, especially Facebook and Twitter, are evolving every time, every day. So if we are learned something yesterday about a tool or about a new tip, it may not applicable today. So the best thing when you are really interested to become a social media marketing manager, please learn and stay updated with latest trends and latest topics. Go and check what is trending in Facebook and what is trending in Twitter, and try to align those trends with our brands. Experiment it. We may fail because we don't know how user will interact with our content. So everything is for us just experiment. We have to make that possibly we have to make those contents as experimental. Then check our analytics and learn about it, whether our thoughts are correct or we need to change our experimenting ideas and statistics and tactics. Then based on that learning, we have to again reschedule or again rethink about our content and again adjust with our brands and our values and our missions or our messages that we have failed previously. So this is not a just a one-day process. We have to be updated with every cool newest happening in our areas. We all know that watching a video, we used to go to the YouTube channel or Vimeo channel, but that is no more here now. Now Twitter is ready to stream our videos, Facebook is ready to stream our videos. So we have to upload our videos based on these newest trends. We cannot only upload the video to YouTube channel and share the links with our Facebook page or using our Twitter handle. We have to upload the same video with our Facebook page or with our Twitter account. Then we have to share it with our friends or our followers, because Facebook they changed their business interest and they are really invested something in the videos streaming services. So now they are really helping us to reach our video contents more faster, more engagement way than when we are putting YouTube links on a Facebook page. So since they are really interested in sharing our content as video contents, we have to utilize that opportunity, upload your videos to Facebook or to Twitter directly and make it impactful and engagementful. Don't go overboard on the hashtags. We may notice that hashtag is a really cool feature that we can get to know more about a trending hashtag or a news. For example, yeah, if you guys are hosting an event, you guys usually create a particular hashtag for that. So when we clicking any hashtag, the related tweets or related posts will be appear in the search result because of the hashtag is a unique searchable or clickable link. So maybe people are thinking that when we are creating a post with so many hashtags, it may create more impactful content. It's actually not that true, because when we are creating so much hashtags, it will distract the user. User may think that we don't know anything about our event. Just say whatever we are going to host in an event, then give 1 or 2 or maximum 3 hashtags. Then I'm pretty sure 50% of our tweets of Facebook posts will get more engagement than the so-called hashtag reigns. So make sure that your hashtag or your post is always aligned with our messages. Respond to all comments. There would be people are saying that Firefox is not good, Firefox is crashing, or your event was not successful, and there would be so much cool people are saying that Firefox is so great thing to browse online. Firefox is respecting my privacy. Firefox will never change. Will never steal our data and sell to any third-party company. Whether it's a positive comment towards our brand, whether it's negative comments towards our brand, please feel to respond them, make them engage make them connected with us. As I said previous slide, when we are commenting or when we are replying to a Facebook or Twitter follower with our official hashtag, official account, we are actually building a bond between the brand that already existed and between the user, maybe our not our so much user or our follower or our supporter. So since we all are here to market Firefox and Mozilla's mission and our other cool products and services, creating a meaningful impact with our fans of our followers is more crucial in social media marketing strategies. We with just of our thank you for using Firefox may create a much big impact, and we can convert a regular follower to a Firefox or a Mozilla volunteer or a contributor or at least a supporter. That's a big success or a huge interesting thing that we can achieve with just a few seconds or just a few minutes spending time. So respond every comments whenever you are possible, but I'm not saying that please respond to any spammy contents. Spam contents should be treated as spam. Just remove it. Don't think badly. Just remove it. No need to engage with them or no need to say that you guys are spamming to our brand. Just be quiet, because we cannot change every people's mentality or everyone, and we cannot convert everyone to our brand. So it happens. It's okay. No bad mouths about a competitor publicly. This is something that we should take care of ourselves. We all are here to love Firefox and Mozilla's our missions, and we are spreading here our knowledge and our things. But we should not talk against Google Chrome or IE or Safari or any other corporate companies directly, because that's clearly against the ethics of social media and ethics of the marketing. So whenever you are saying, when you want to say something, just be kind and do not tag or do not mention our competitors into our engagements. It will be really hurting our brand and their brand as well, and we all will be in trouble. So please make sure that. Shorten URL too. You guys know that there are many URL shortening services, but why we are shortening URL means it's not just making our content or making our post readable or shared within the 160 character limit. By using URL shortening service like Bitly, we can track our engagement. We can see how many clicks that's generated with that URL. That URL that you guys created. For example, I'm using Bitly for Mozilla India's social media post. So this is a link that I created with Bitly, and I can see total clicks. I can see other engagements and it will be here for a long time in our dashboard. So we can easily share with our friends, and we can easily check every engagement activities on that link. So whenever it's possible, please use any URL shortening service. And I'm requesting you to use Bitly, since when you are writing any Mozilla or Mozilla domain, it will automatically convert it to mz.la. So please use Bitly, so it will be so much cool and so much lovely. And whenever people are seeing your post, they can easily identify that this is coming from an official Mozilla domain. Analyze your efforts. Facebook and Twitter are giving so much analytical features, but in Mozilla we have so many dashboards. In Mozilla, so many dashboards, like for example, Sumo. We have so much energetic Sumo volunteers are here across our global. They or we can track the efforts, the engagements by going the public channels or public profiles. But I don't think that we have a powerful tool to track our Facebook or social media engagements. But for us, we have much powerful engagement or analytic tool within the Facebook and Twitter. I'm going just give a walkthrough that. This is the official Mozilla India page inside section. Here you can see the overview, total number of likes, and the recent post that we created. This is the total reach, and this is engagement. You can see every whether the engagement is paid or organic, and you can see how many people are engaged with us. Yeah. This is the best tool that I love so far. This is the 24 time frame. From here, people are coming online towards the 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and yeah, this is the peak time to post a social media content based on our analytics and based on the data that Facebook given. So whenever we post on behalf of Mozilla India, I usually use this peak point level. There are many other cool features, like our fans. We can know our fans. Mozilla India has 87% fans are male and 13% fans are females. We know how many countries are really connected with us. We have the facility to see the trending cities for us. So by using these features, we can curate our content, upcoming content, and we can treat our neighbor countries and our neighbor cities. There are so much things to share about the analytics. We will come up with that in coming office hours. There is a best question that I'm hearing from so long time: how to be a good social media contributor or social media marketing manager. The best thing that if you are having a social media account, your personal account, and if you are having a Twitter account, and if you are going to like a page of Mozilla or Mozillian running, and share the page or comment on it or engage with that, that's the easiest and the first step of being a social media contributor. So it's the best thing is almost everyone can be a social media contributor. Then eventually you guys can create a group based on your local regional community, and you guys can create dedicated Facebook page or Twitter handle. Then eventually you can learn the social media best practices and tips and tricks. Then I'm pretty sure you will you will become a great social media marketing manager for Mozilla and your local regional community. I think I'm done with that. So, TJ, TJ,
Hi, yes. Awesome. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. You went through so much stuff. That was awesome. Thank you. You can stop sharing your screen.
yes, I would like to make.
Oh, it looks like Jafar left, but I'm sure he'll come back again. So thank you so much, Jafar, for that amazing overview. Like he said, it was more of a broad overview of social media marketing in general. But he wants to follow up with additional sessions to really dive in on like tactics and what else to look for. Oh, hi, Jafar's back. Yes, Jafar, so you were saying?
Yeah, I was saying this, as I said, this is just like an overview of our best practices, and I cannot really give much impact, much deeper knowledge in every section. So I'm thinking to make this session as a series of events and series of office hours, because then only we can create a much powerful social media marketing managers within our super cool, energetic students.
Yes, I agree. I totally agree. And a lot of students here manage their own club pages, their own Facebook page to promote their events. So it's really important to dive into those tactics, which Jafar will definitely dive in on other follow-up sessions. I do have one question for you from a student. So Ahmad from Indonesia asks, how to optimize posting on Twitter and Facebook? So this is like a more tactical question.
Where is that question coming up?
It's coming up from Etherpad, yes. So maybe just like one tip for Twitter or Facebook, and then we'll probably dive in more in next sessions.
Yes, yeah. For curating, sorry, could you repeat that question again?
Yeah. So what? How to optimize posting on Twitter or Facebook? So I think it's like what's like tips and tricks to optimize your post to get the most likes or the most view?
If the question is related to the graphics, image optimization, I would say that we are currently using a PNG version. When we are creating a graphics, we will be converted that to a PNG. Then the best thing with PNG is PNG will not lose the quality just like .jpg file does. So I'm suggesting you to go with the PNG version, and I'm not much experienced with the video, but I'm not sure about video. And if the question is about the copy, the content, it should be it's not easy to explain right now, because we have to learn ourselves. We have to evolve it. But
yeah,
make sure that your image, your shorten URL, hashtag, and the message should become within this 160 character limit.
Yeah, and Jafar kind of touched on a lot of tips too about like keeping your copy short, making sure it's engaging and that you have epic content. I think he'll go into stuff in the future sessions about how like the timing maybe of your post. If you live in a particular maybe timing, it's good to post after work or good to post during work. So he'll go into that later on. So those kinds of tips. And those are all the questions for now on the Etherpad and the IRC. Jafar, do you have anything else to say to the students?
Definitely, I would love to follow up with this event, as I said, as a series of events. So if you guys have any questions, as I'm always ready to help you, and just ping me Facebook or WhatsApp or anywhere you are seeing me. And yeah, I forgot to say one thing. Recently, we are hosting Windows Firefox for Windows 10 campaign, and so many events are coming up. So many events are in the plan. But whenever you guys are posting any content in Facebook or Twitter, please append Firefox within this Windows 10. Don't just use Windows 10 because it may be misrepresenting or misleading. Just say Firefox for Windows 10. Don't just say Windows 10 campaign or I host Windows 10 or I install Windows 10. Say I install Firefox browser on a Windows 10 machine. It will be
Yeah,
more helpful as.
exactly. Yeah, I'm glad you brought up that page. Exactly. Yeah, it should be Firefox for Windows 10 so that people don't get confused that we're hosting events for.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Perfect.
We are not actually promoting Windows 10. We are instead promoting Firefox for Windows 10.
Right. Okay, awesome. So we're a little bit over our session time. So Jeff, do you have anything else to wrap up? I'm going to put your contact information in the Etherpad so that students can reach out to you. But you can also ping him on Iris as well.
Yeah, my contact information is almost everywhere at PMJ Creations.
Okay,
so in
awesome.
Facebook or Twitter, it's PMJ Creations.
Great, perfect. That
mail
sounds
ID.
good. Yeah. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much for coming on teaching our students. We look forward to other follow-up sessions. All right? Thank you.
Having me here.
Bye, Jafar.
Good night from India.
Okay, so we're a little bit over time, but that's all right. I'm going to answer just a few of the questions that I think are important. I've already answered a few on the Etherpad that are like easier to answer online. So one question that I got was from Bangladesh. It says, I want to know how I can apply for a senior badge for the third tier recognition system. So after you've been through training and then you apply to become a junior, you will get a link to apply to become a senior. And all that process of how to become a senior is given to you when you become a junior. Hence why it's not really public online right now. The next question is, so same similar question. I want to know when we'll begin able to apply for recognition system. So training applications open every single month. Once you become a trainee, you'll get information on how you can apply to become a junior. So just know that training is really your first step. Next question. It looks like, okay, so it looks like everything, the first one question is, how can I set up a Firefox club at my university? So every month we have a club lead training. You apply to club lead training, you get put through different training, different modules, and then you take an exam, and then we guide you through setting up your club. So again, all of this process is online. I'll put the link down in the questions so you can see. Okay, and let me see if there's any additional questions. So I guess there's no additional questions right now, but of course, if you have any questions, you're always free to email us at Firefox Students. Today was an awesome office hour. I will see you guys in October. We have great lineup for what's coming up, and that's it for now. Okay, goodbye, everyone.